Satnam, hi, how are you? Thank you very much for coming again to your healthy channel, masana.fit. And today I'm going to talk about tapping. In one of my videos, I was talking about tapping this area, and I said that I will explain in one video what is tapping, how to do it, which areas of the body you need to do it, and for what is working. Okay, so let's start in why it's working. It's a technique to release the emotions. Okay, and normally it's the negative or bad emotions that we keep inside, we don't put it out, and this makes us sick or makes that we think too much about it. Okay, we need to put it out. So this technique is a way to put out that emotions, and then we can free them, and we will feel much more light. It's a technique that you only need 5 to 10 minutes, and it's better to do less time but more often than more time and less often. I mean, better if you do 3 to 5 times per week, 5 minutes only, that if you do one day per week, half an hour. Okay, it's much better 5 minutes. So even when you are watching television, you can do the tapping and think in the phrase inside or loud. Depends if you are with someone. Maybe it's better you think about it and you do it, blah, blah, blah. If you are alone, you can say it lower. Okay, so let's start with what are the points. The first point is this one, is called karate point, because it's I don't practice karate, but you always know that they use this part of the hand. So this is the first part, and you can do the tapping with these 2 fingers or these 4, depends of the area. This one is, because for me it's a big area, so you can use 4 of them or only 2, whatever you want. Okay, then this is the first point. Second point, the crown chakra here, and also it's a big area, so you can use 4 or you can use only 2. Then the third area is the third eye here, just in the middle of the 2 eyes. And if this area is too sensitive for you, you can do it just here. Okay, in the beginning of your eye here, and from this area you go here, both sides. You can do it side by side or both together. From this area we go under the eye. This area is under the nose. From here we go here under the lip, and then we go here, you know, these bones, just under these bones. And the last one is just here, like four fingers under your axil, like this. You can do it both at the same time, or you can do it one and then another one. Okay, and then it's another point that is used by psychologists for people who are really stressed or they have anxiety. Is this. So this will be the last one, but only if you do the tapping because you feel anxiety or if you feel very stressed. If you do the tapping for attracting money or attracting love or another kind of thing, this point is not necessary. Okay, so let's do it again. First one, Second one, the number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So it's 9 places. And in each place, you need to repeat 3 times a phrase. How you make that phrase? First, you need to put the thing that you want to make better, the negative thing, and then a positive thing. Okay, for example, imagine I have a back pain. So I can say, my pain is hurting a lot, and anyway, I feel lucky with my health. My back is really painful, and I feel lucky with my health. My back is really painful, and I feel lucky with my health. So 3 times, and then in the other part, another 3 times the same phrase. So this you repeat for 5 to 10 minutes. Maybe you say, Rosa, what the hell? I mean, this how this can work. Try it. I mean, maybe for you it doesn't work. Maybe it works, but you will not have any side effect at all. Try for 1 month and let me know if it was working for you or not. You can write it here in the comments, or you can send me a private email to masana.fit@gmail.com, and I will be happy to hear from you. Also, if you don't know which kind of phrase you can write, or yeah, I mean you can say, because maybe you have a problem with, I don't know, with money, and you don't know what's the right phrase to say. You can also write me, and I will be really happy to help you. And I will make another videos to talk about different things. But anyway, if you want to write me and ask for my help, I will be really happy to do it. That's all. Please subscribe to my channel. Well, it's not my channel, it's your channel, because it's made for you to increase your health and your happiness. And I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day. Namaste. Ciao.